morning, everyone! I am wearing this wig for no particular reason other than I felt like it because I really like this wig and I rarely ever wear it. I would love to wear wigs more often in videos because I have all of these really pretty wigs and I never really do anything with them. But then again, I feel like it would be weird if I just showed up in a video in a wig for like no particular reason and without context. And most of them aren't made in a way that is suitable for hair tutorials because they like the hair is sewn in strips like that, so you can't really section them and things like that. So yeah, that's kind of my wig dilemma, but I really like this one, so I thought I would just wear it this morning. Probably gonna take it off before I film my next video. Anyways, what I wanted to say is welcome to a day in my life vlog. I'm gonna just take you with me today behind the scenes, show you what goes on in like a regular work day in my life. The plan for today is pretty simple. I have to film a couple of videos. The weather is amazing today. I've heard it's supposed to be like 20 degrees out today, which I believe because yesterday was like 18, 19. It's absolutely ridiculous because it is February. It's winter and it feels like summer. I'm not complaining though because I really love summer and I love the sunshine. So if I can manage to squeeze it in, I would love to go out into the park. This morning I cleaned the rat cage, so that's a good start to the day. And now I think it's time that I set up my filming gear, lights, everything, cameras, and start filming this video. I'm wondering if I'm pretty sure I can't get away with wearing this just in, you know, real life. It's still pretty obviously a wig. It always is. I still haven't fully like gotten down the art of blending in wigs. Although I'm getting better. In real life you can tell like immediately. Okay, time to start working. The boys have decided to all squeeze into this one hammock thing. I'm in the middle of filming Pink Curl Diaries Part 2 it is. But it's time to have lunch, so I'm gonna see what I have in the fridge because oh my gosh guys, I'm so hungry. Alright, the hair portion of my video is done, so now it's time to actually move the furniture and build the studio and film the other 2 videos that I want to film today. While I'm waiting for my water to boil for my tea time video, I thought since I did call this a behind the scenes vlog, I thought I'd show you what I see when I am filming a video. So I sit right here. This is the background you probably recognize from most of my sit down videos. But then when you turn around, I have my camera on the other side of the room there, which is linked to my Surface where I can kind of adjust the settings, light settings and the focus and things like that. I have my cell phone down here which records my sound on this little microphone. And then over there, to counter the light that comes in from the window, I have a ring light that lights up this side of my face. And that's pretty much it. That's my filming setup for sit down videos. I have one more video to go. It's gonna be a tea time Q&A. I'm really excited to film that. I always love those kind of just like sit down and chat videos that I don't really have to, you know, script beforehand or really think about what I'm going to say. It's just nice and spontaneous filming. Oh, I just texted my brother by the way, and just because the weather is so nice, he is going to come over later this afternoon and we're gonna go out for a skate around the park, and I'm really excited about that. But I do hope I will survive because, well, the gym that I go to offers these home workout videos, as you know, comes with the membership. So Robert and I did like this thigh and booty workout yesterday, and gosh guys, it burns. It burns. So I hope I'll be able to skate, but we're gonna see. We're just gonna see. Sounds like tea is ready. Editing the video I just shot because that needs to go out tomorrow, And as I'm sitting here, my legs are getting more and more sore. I'm really worried about that little skating trip that we're about to go on. It's gonna be painful, and I also have a trip to the gym planned tomorrow, so that's gonna be fun. My brother's on his way, so I'm just gonna gobble up an energy ball really quickly. Wow, my hair looks quite disheveled. And I need to change, because even though this outfit is really cute, this is not suitable skating attire. Weather's still really nice, sun is shining. Oh, I can't wait to get out. My brother ended up staying for dinner and I didn't have enough food for the three of us, so we ended up ordering some pizza. I am so glad that there are more and more options to just ordering vegan food nowadays. Perfect. Anyways, my brother left, he went home, and Robert's gone for the night as well. And for some reason, I am ridiculously tired. Like, it is insane. Look at me, just, oh my god. I have mascara running down my face. Anyways, I am so tired and I have no idea why that is. I feel like it's disproportionate, but it is what it is. So I guess I'm just gonna hop to bed nice and early today, call it the day. I've done plenty, I feel. And I didn't really have any, you know, plans for tonight anyway. So that means I'm gonna end the video here as well, guys. I really hope you enjoyed having a little peek into a day in my life. If you did enjoy, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for loads more beauty and lifestyle content. If you'd like to support me through Patreon or my merch store, there are links in the description box below. Thank you so much. There is another video here that I think you might also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Woo, there's the camera. I need to go to bed. Bye.